Hello guys, like you can see I am in the forest. My goal was to find some kind of mushroom to make a risotto con I funghi, risotto ai porcini, really Italian recipe. But we are lucky, we find another mushroom that is more precious, we can say, because it's difficult to find it and you can cook in different way. Instead of make the risotto, we will make a salad. If you are in the place where the mushroom grow, keep attention, because this kind of mushroom that I put here the name, the mushroom is called this, is similar to another one that is called Amanita Caesarea. That is the one of you can see in the cartoons. That usually is red with the white spot. That is very poison. This one is good. So now we take this one and we take other two that are small. The name of this mushroom is like a boiled egg, because when it's small it's white, the shape of an egg, and after grow and become like this. But now I show to you. This white part is the one that give the name to the mushroom, because it's like the white of the egg. Now this one is too much seasoned, it's too old, we can remove it. But now I show you the other one that have the shape of the egg. You can see that the shape is really a boiled egg. So this is why probably they give this name. So now I go around a little bit more. Maybe we are more lucky, we find other of this one of others mushroom. Okay, now we should clean our mushroom now that we are at home. So with a brush or with a tissue dry, we remove the ground, and after with a humid tissue we can clean it. Please don't wash it, because the mushroom is like a sponge, so if you put under the water they soak all the water and you spoil them. After you can eat directly, or you can keep in the fridge for 1, 2, 3 days. Remember always that they are like a sponge, so you should put close something that smells. If not, they will take the smell of this food. You can clean very well. Now I will show you. After you can put in the tissue and close in a plastic container or in a plastic bag and put in the fridge. You can keep for a few days. Now I will make like a salad with this mushroom, and after I prepare also the meat salad that I have already posted the video, and after we prepare a nice dish, but I'll show you later. Now I prepare the dressing both for the meat and for the mushroom. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 drop of lemon juice, 1 pinch of salt and 1 pinch of pepper. For the meat also half clove of garlic. spectacular. Really, you can taste that mushroom. Okay, before that I greet you, I show you 3 pictures about the poison version of this mushroom. Amanita muscaria, also known as fly amanita, is very red with white spot. Usually we saw it in the cartoons. Amanita phalloides is again completely different. You can see the color is very light, is not very orange like the good one. So you can recognize also this one very well when it's open. The one that I picked is called Amanita Caesarea, commonly known as Caesar's mushroom. You can see that it's very different, it's very orange, and you can eat this one without a problem. So when it's grown, it's very easy to recognize. This other kind I will cook in different way. If I can, I will make also the video about this. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it and to watch all the other videos. Bye bye!